we are in Chennai today, launching our new products for the summer season. So around 150 models are being launched, many of them new or repositioned and meant for every price point, keeping in mind the changing weather conditions, changing needs of the consumers, and at various price points. As always, we are bringing products that are world class, built to last, reliable, and have undergone more than 80 performance tests. And these products are manufactured here in Sri City plant. Some of the models are manufactured in our Himachal plant as well. As you might have read, it has been a great year for the air conditioning industry. And for Blue Star, it has been an excellent year in terms of sales growth and the market share gain. We will in all probability cross the next milestone of 1.5 million or 15 lakh units and get closer to 14% market share. The plan for next year is to cross somewhere around 1.75 million units, and we want to once again grow faster than the market in order to reach a market share of 14.25%. We are making significant investments in research and development, manufacturing capacity expansion, and digitalization, keeping in mind the energy efficiency improvement that are needed, customer experience related initiatives that we have to launch in order to ensure that we are a preferred brand, and to become globally competitive as well. The new features include even deploying artificial intelligence for comfort and performance improvement, heavy duty performance, because extreme temperature conditions occur even in some parts of southern India. And as I told you, making the product affordable for many customers who would like to procure an air conditioner. And we are very happy that southern India has contributed to the growth of Blue Star, and specifically in Tamil Nadu, in room air conditioners, we perform exceedingly well. It ranks number one within our company, and we should be number two player in the industry. And that's one of the reasons that we begin our summer season journey by launching the products in Chennai. Thank you. So we need to see